Hello and welcome back to the Insanity. Last time we left off, we fixed steel. We are now using a better steel recipe. We also fixed Nexelite, which is awesome for making Nexelite tiles, or rather we didn't really fix Nexelite, we just used some of the Nexelite we had. And then we started a plan for drilling fluid, which is what we are going to set up down here. So this iron processing chain will have to move somewhere else. Maybe over there or something. And we also noticed that we had a bit of a methane issue. So I'm wondering how it's doing right now, and it seems like it's doing a lot better. The simple change we did last episode was that we changed the glass production to use syngas so that we can use up the syngas we have, and that seems to have helped a fair amount. But now we have another problem, it seems, and that is that we are out of syngas. That's not optimal. That's not optimal at all. So we'll have to go and fix this, because we need the glass, that's for sure. We also created this little missing in LTN thing, so we can see what we are requesting in train stations, but we are not delivering. So, okay, I guess there's only one thing to do, and that is to connect the methane. So, bye-bye syngas. I'm curious about maybe if it's a good idea to connect some. Yeah, why not? Let's connect. Oh god, this takes forever to mine. I don't like tall buildings like this. Oh, of course we can put it out over there. There we go. I'm afraid that this will be used up fairly quickly, but there's not really much we can do about that at this point. We are researching electric energy distribution. That would be really nice to use. Only problem is that those medium poles require a bunch. Oh wow, I need small electric poles to build medium. At least I can build big electric poles from scratch, but that's gonna cost me niobium, which I don't have yet. So, okay. Getting back to the planner then, I think. We have looked at most of these things, I think. And the next things that we are going to focus on here is Relesia seeds. And if we believe that we have a dedicated production for this, we can probably. Ooh, it requires hydrogen. I'm not a fan of that, but okay. What do we have here? 100 seconds, 100 seconds, 120 seconds. How difficult would it be to get the manure? I wonder. Ash, that's not really an option. And okay, let's see. What? Please use the mate. No? Okay, what? Why? Yes, oh, of course. I think I might have screwed something up here. Okay, let's reset this and. Oh, that's maybe what I did. I don't know. What's happening? Okay, anyway. Remove production block. Remove production block. Okay, edit this block. 0.5. How about we do like this then? Do we have mumble? Here we have Ralesia seeds. There we have Ralesias. Okay. So please just okay, like that maybe. Yes, this works better. It seems to have some problems with this loop now. Okay. Anyway, well, I guess we'll do something like this then. How about we just say that we want Ralesias? Well, actually, we have another chain for this already. That's the old chain though. Don't need this anymore, thank God. And matrix solar. Oh, this has the moon drop as well. Well, we are going to use the moon drop for sure, but not right now. So please give me like 100 per minute. Is that reasonable? Nope, that does not seem to be reasonable. How about 50? Alesia seeds. Oh, wait. I think we'll just remove that production block and add a new one. And then let's actually say that Ralesias. I don't seem to be able to type today. So let's say that the seeds are actually our main products, our output. Then it's easier to change between these recipes. Soil, biomass, manure, Ralesia seeds, hydrogen. Sure, let's consider this. And that's... There we are. Oh, 265, that's a lot. How about 50? That's still 130 per second. Okay. This I can live with. Now I would like to have manure, and I know I can get manure from Augs. Oh boy. Okay, I think we should just sort of try and set something up for the borax. It doesn't seem to be a lot of things we need of everything. That's for sure. Now, right, here we have, yes, 1 per second. Let's actually increase that to about 3 per second. And let's pin this and let's just get started, more or less. And this is probably gonna take up a fair amount of this episode. But once we have this, it will be probably a fair bit easier to get other things. So that's why we are doing this. Okay, botanical nursery. 2 of them. Already have that. Nice. Tar processing unit 1. Assembling machine. Let's make it 2, because we don't have the advanced one yet. High pressure furnace. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. And it wasn't. Pump jack. This is where the fun begins. Oh, nope. Thank God. Evaporator. Feels like I built an evaporator before. Okay, steel and tin plates. Steel and tin plates. And this is where we will have plenty of use of this steel that we made in our last episode. Because our steel plate chest is full. Which means that we have plenty of molten steel as well. Which is really nice. We don't have too much molten iron though, but hopefully that will get fixed. And tin plates. Must have them tin plates as well. And better take some copper as well. Right, what was it I wanted? It's the evaporator, I believe. Okay, and another high pressure furnace, gasifier, chemical plant. Gasifier, high pressure furnace, and chemical plant. I believe this will be the first chemical plant that we are making actually. Don't think I've made one before, or have I? I probably have actually. Wood processing unit. And pulp mill, and another pulp mill. 2 pulp mills, 3 pulp mills, and 2 solid separators. 1, 2, 3, and solid separators. That's 2 of them. Then we need guar bean plantation, 5 of them or so. And a mixer, ground borer, and a washer. 3 washers. And here we can only make 1, it seems. We need iron, copper, and titanium, or rather simple circuit boards. Iron, copper, titanium. That's copper. That's iron. And this is titanium. And I would like to have some simple circuit boards, even though I still don't consider them simple. But then again, if these are called simple, then I fear what is coming next. And let's see, ground borer. Feels like I'm missing something. More iron, it seems. There we go. I think I added one to the crafting queue earlier already. Oh boy, we really need a lot of small parts at the moment. So I'm just going to take some from this chest. Although we for sure don't have a lot over there. because we are missing iron. Okay, ground borer, mixer. So a mixer and 5 guar bean plantations. I seem to require 2 washers for this, and that means stone bricks. I think I know where we can find stone bricks. And it's over here. Oh boy, this is a shit ton of stone bricks. Right, I think we can probably use some circuit magic here. But then again, I guess that having this much stone is not really a problem per se. Or, well, let's just put it on hold for now. And yeah, we'll have to see what we can do about that later on. I can make another GUI signal display, that's nice. Because that could help us to just keep an eye on how much stone we have, how much hot air we have, how much tar we have, and some of the usual problems that we have. Okay, let's see. I should be able to make a mixer now. I can. That's good. And the guar bean plantation. I can make 4 of them. Okay, I would like some more actually. So, more iron. I wonder how our little chest over here is looking. Oops, we have a delivery incoming. Please turn around. Train. Hello. Thank you. And please just go over here. I'm just letting the train go one lap around the map to make some free space for our LTN train, which apparently has a delivery. One of these days I'm gonna need to make this to have 2 lanes here. Would be nice to have one train for me and one train for LTN, so to say, but we have way too much of a mess here to deal with that, so that's not happening. Guar bean plantation. That's 5. Okay, now botanical nursery, because it seems like we used up 2 of them. Am I already out of simple circuit boards? You gotta be kidding me. Damn it. Oh well. How are we doing with Nixley tiles? Nice. This is nice for sure. I love them. I absolutely love them. I don't know what I could have done without them. We are currently researching methanol processing, and I'm honestly not sure why. Oh wait, methanol. Is methanol? No. I'll have to check if that has any fluid fuel value. Methanol. It does actually. But why did I? Okay, okay. Right, I see. Reading my notes, which honestly I absolutely must have, It seems like I wanted the methanol processing because of this recipe to make crude oil using aromatics and syngas, with the reasoning that it's an option for carbon black, which is used in the rubber process in all of the rubber recipes instead of tar. So that's why it could be interesting. But we have... Actually, this is even more interesting. Getting crude oil using the drilling fluid, I think. But we'll see about that. Okay, where were we? Are we still handcrafting things? Yes, we are. So while we are crafting these things, let's take a look at something else. For example, in our last episode, we noticed that we did not have that much steam. Which seems to still be the case. And this is a bit of a problem. Although I'm wondering where it is. Here it is, probably. Yes, because here we have a overflow valve. So that makes me sort of wonder where we are getting this steam from. But anyway... Oh, this is working now. Okay. I think we just want to get some of these boilers and actually boil the coal. Now that we have lots of coal, the only problem is that if we start burning the coal, then we will not have any coal. Because that's just what happens. Oh god. Inventory is full. How great. How great. Oh, come on, it feels like we... Oh well. We have so much stuff in our inventory. Please only output coal here. With the reasoning that that's far more fuel efficient. Alright, we're currently working on crafting the guar bean plantations. Our research seems to be doing really quick recently. And it seems like we are now missing quartz for the glass. I guess that's step in the right direction or something. I think we're gonna need some couple of pipes. I would so much like to have all these things. Wait, what? Oh, right, yes, this is the recipe I'm using already. The 8 rails using steel plates. Crafting, crafting, crafting. How is our map looking? Do we have any to-dos? No, we don't. Maybe we should write down some. The problem with writing down stuff is that what we need is fluctuating a lot. But we do need more methane. We also need, well, to be honest, the iron processing chain and the borax chain is one of the bigger things we need at this moment. But getting there takes a lot of time. How does our roboport coverage look? Right, we have 12 construction robots over here. We have 4 over here. So in order to help us speed this up a bit... Oh, come on. Rob Borax. Oh boy, that's so quick, it's insane. Player inventory is full, yes, I know. And I don't think pressing Shift C helps at the moment either. Okay. Oh boy, of course I can't craft that either. Right, we do have a chest here though that I can put some stuff in. How about putting some of those, some of that. Coal dust, copper cable, iron stick, lots of different things. Let's use up some of our inserters. Speaking of inserters, we have even more inserters here. Okay, I'm just going to steal this now. We should have some usage for this. I can bet that I will forget that I had those, that I have those moon drops there. Maybe we should use this base for moon drops as well. Or maybe not, I don't know. Okay, we have... What was I going to do? Boiler. No, wait, first the robots. Robots. Hi robots. Start building me rails. A lot of entities need you. And I also seem to require a bit more signals. Okay, here we have steam. Oh, steam in this pipe. Okay, great, that's perfect. So please be so kind and just insert this coal. Great, that's going to consume a lot of coal, I'm afraid. No input fluid. Sure, that can help as well. That does tend to help. Great. Now, how about we go and grab some of them signals and just start working on this. I'm poor. Move so slowly. Boy. What's this? Oh, right. Yes, that's actually where it was supposed to be. Okay. And let's see. Oh, right. I wanted to get signals. It's a good thing that trains are fast, because my memory is not. We missed the signals. There we go. Thank you, signals. We'll just be getting chain signals for now. Okay, thanks. Let's go over here. Oh boy, I'm not looking forward to setting this up, the drilling fluid. But it's a big step, and it's something that we basically need to do. Right. Can I put this maybe somewhere like over here? Will this work? Or will it just stop here? It might actually just stop there. Ah, let's do it like this. This is how you get out of the way. Okay, is it time to get started then? Oh boy. Botanical nursery for Calesias. Sure thing. 2 of them, at least. This is the only recipe, right? Usage. Oh, wrong. There we go. Alesia seeds. Yes, that's the only recipe for them. Good. That means that we can start to have Alesia's block. Just to grow Alesia somewhere. And Moondrop? Question mark? Because we will probably need a shit ton of Moondrop as well. Okay. Now I am a bit unsure about where we will put everything. Oh no. I'm going to need not an advanced foundry. Not advanced casting. Factory? Automated factory, that's what it calls. Right. Because the simple, stupid assembling machines that I have in my inventory, that I don't have in my inventory, simply can't handle the fluids. Which is why I need something that can handle fluids. And here is where we have, oh right, that's that one. Evaporator. Connecting all these things will be interesting. Calcium carbide. Okay. Maybe we should start from the other end actually. Where's my car? Stupid question. Has anyone seen? Oh wait, I picked that up, didn't I? I did. How great. So let's start from the other end. Or rather, how about let's see here. Yes, I would like this one, please. Guess this one I no longer need. Yeah, exactly. That's how that... No? Okay, so if I delete... They claim to have made some improvements to this blueprint things, but I'm still very confused about it. Either way, what we need is some blueprints for our rails. Here we will have an intersection, and yeah, here's the fun part. That's tin. Okay. Oh well. We can simply, quite easily actually, just build around that rock. Just by doing something like this. The reason for why I'm doing this is that I don't like building on resources. Okay, this can actually continue to be here. So then we can... Oh boy. Can't I just... Nope. I don't have any real... No, I don't want to... I want to build step by step. Can't I do that here? Nope, I can't. Maybe it's possible, but I can't. Anyways. Then we will use the... There it is. This blueprint cannot build on deep water, sure. You don't need to build on deep water, just build where you can. Okay, washer. Let's move it a bit inward. Yeah, this is good. 3 of them, at least. Wait, this is not... Is this right? Yes, it is right. Okay. Then let's actually put them like that. Can I please get some water from here? Thank you. Having water always helps. Right, now I just need the borax. The raw borax. So I'm already halfway there. If only it were that easy. Okay, ground borer. This is the interesting part. So 2 of them maybe. And this will be producing raw borax. Right. Good. Now for the drilling fluid, which will be a major export from this. This also seems to require water. It should be fixed. Quite easy to fix that. Glad something is. Pipes. Need pipes. Great. That's 20% of what we need for the drilling fluid. And here comes the fun parts. Rather the parts I have no idea about really. For bean seeds, that's used for this. Guar gum, yeah, that should be going there. And this produces biomass and guar bean seeds. Okay, interesting side products. I hope that can be useful. How fast is this? Oh boy. 150 guar bean seeds. Well, it sounds like a lot. I am a bit concerned about this step in the process. So I think what I should just aim to do is to just set up, basically just set up this part. If I can get quite a lot of the guar gum, but I'm going to need a shitload of guar gum. Come on, is this really? Oh, wow. Okay, it produces 50 at a time. That explains a lot. That surely explains a lot. So we just need 30 guar for this. Okay. And we produce 5 each time. So that's why we have 5 of these. So that's almost one whole set of guar for the everything. Okay. Now I get it. Right. So let's produce the soil. How about that, shall we? Let's move these things out of the way. Probably shouldn't have placed them down in the first place until I was sure about where to put them. Now I do think that I would like another offshore pump here. Thank you. Also going to need a bunch of more pipes. Oh, come on. Right, there we have the soil. And the soil needs to also be converted into sand, which is why I made myself a washer. Because luckily this part of the process is something we know by now. Great. I need electricity. Where is my closest electricity? Okay, we already have something over here, so we don't need to build a new crossing over the rails. Like that. Perfect. So this should give us soil. And sand, which we need for the guar production. And here I want an underground pipe, please. Great. More pipes. And our dear friend, the electricity. Great. And let's see, we need to deal with these tailings. And luckily we have a sinkhole. Proper way to do it would be to do something else, but for now let's just use a sinkhole. Great. That's that taken care of, that taken care of, and that taken care of. Good. Ugh. Then comes the messy part. Okay, anyway. Let's try and set this up properly. And to do that, I think I need to go get myself some materials, because I'm going to need lots of inserters. Oh, I never put those things in the chest, did I? I did not. That should help a bit, I hope. And let's see. Circuits. Don't I have a chest or something for these? Should really get that. Considering how often I use this, I do need a chest. Let's put it up like that, something. Thankfully, I'm not really lacking these at the moment. Oh, nice! We have... Yay, we are producing small parts! This is interesting. What is missing now is actually lead. That's not often that happens. Why can I only make 20? I'm missing duralumin. That's better. Am I missing anything else? Probably some pipes, which we have over here. Maybe some belts as well. Maybe I should look into that other belt recipe now that rubber is not a problem. Oil processing is being researched. Feels like we're making quite a bit of progress now on the research. More than what we can keep up with, sort of. And that's actually a very good sign, I have to say. It's a very good sign that we are researching a lot. Is this gonna work? No, I need to put it out one step further. There we go. So that I can use long-handed inserters. Oh, this is a long crafting time. This is a very long crafting time. But it feels like it's going pretty... Oh, this is a fast crafting speed. That's nice. That means that it's only taking 15 seconds. That's actually very great. Cool. So let's put this on a belt, please. Something like that. And then let's put it in here. Here, please. Then the question is where I should put this, the biomass, the side product. Oh, and I should apparently also give this machine power. There we go. Considering how much these are producing, I'm just gonna fill this up with lots of fast inserters. Okay, this part was actually not that bad. The guar gum is almost finished. And let's see, we have sand as well. Okay, sure thing. I think we are going to do like this with the water. Because we have so many item inputs that I would like to use double belts. Maybe even triple. Probably triple actually. So we'll have a belt there as well. Because we need a shit ton of sand for this. Basically. And the little production we have over here will not be enough. Can I have another washer? Can I turn off caps lock? Ah, come on. I want this to fit here. Now it fits. And of course we need to leave some space for inserters as well. Is this not able to keep up? Interesting. I thought one of those could provide more than one of these, but maybe not. Maybe I'm mistaken. Either way, I am going to need some sand over here. From where I get it doesn't matter that much, which is why I leave a bit of space here. So I know that I will be able to scale this up if needed. And here we also again have some tailings, which we can put into here. Okay, that's taken care of. The sand is coming here. The sand needs to go into here. And then I need to get some more power poles. There we go. Okay, copper guar gum. We do have the guar gum now, that's good. So we should be able to put that into this machine. Something like that. And then we need copper ore and starch. And regarding the copper ore, I said that I would just fill it manually for the time being. And regarding starch, that's where the big mess comes. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, please spin this again. Oh, and starch also produces biomass. That's interesting. So fiberboard and powdered Relesia seeds. And I'm honestly considering doing something interesting here now. Because the thing is that I am actually producing fiberboard somewhere else, and considering the mess it is to set up, I'm wondering if LTN might be of some help here, actually. It's being produced over here. No, over here. And right now we are missing it, because we are missing steam. And that's not good. How is that new burner thing going? Oh boy, it's just wipes out all of my coal pretty quickly, I have to say. Pretty darn quick. How should we solve that? This is not very optimal, I have to say. Why is it that so many things require steam and use steam? That's a lot of steam. I wish I could make sulfuric acid, but I can't really. Sulfur processing, that might be the next thing to research actually. Oh, you can make sulfur from that mushroom I've been planting. Not sure if it will be effective, but it's something, I guess. Acid gas, that might be something, maybe? No, wait, 10 sulfur, 100 acid gas. Ah, the options, the options, the options. It's just insane, actually. It's so insane. Do I have some other item that I can use as fluid? Something that is... Oh, coarse coal, of course. Right, there is some coal processing options. Raw coal. Yeah, I think we will have to research this as well. Because then I believe that we can get raw coal either from the seaweed, which I hope I don't have to use again, or from the fawogai, the mushroom, which we are growing. It's not a very efficient recipe, but it's something, I guess. I'm wondering how much steam have we used up recently? Although, again, this is not really helping us because most of this steam is produced and consumed because of this loop for the power production. And that's not very helpful at all. And speaking of which, our power production seems to not be working great. Maybe we should actually add an alarm there. Could be something. Ah, boy. I think actually that what we will do is to deal with most of this mess in the next episode. Fiberboard powdered Ralesia seeds, and that produces starch directly. What we actually will do is just to sort of give us a taste of how this will work and what we'll get from this. We'll just oh, seems like my train was blocking the other trains. That's not optimal. So what we will do is just get some fiberboards manually, assuming there are any left. Which there is. Item ingredient shortage. Why are we missing the urea again? It seems like it's just going a bit slow, maybe? These are working. So nothing to worry about there at the moment, at least. So then we will also go get some Halesia. It would be extremely helpful if we could just produce the fiberboard somewhere and just import it, sort of. Here we have lots of Halesias for sure. So we can actually start saving some up here again. And please take me over here somewhere. Yes, here will be good. Beyond 71 entities are machine construction robots. So it's going forward with that production. We have reached our destination, sort of. Oh, this is not going to help. Actually, what we seem to need is a bit of signals over here. Hopefully those signals will show up soon. Okay, let's put some Rhalesias into here, and we will get some Rhalesia seeds out. And then the question is which machine we are producing that in. Maybe we haven't placed that one out yet. Let's pin this. Solid separator. Right. Oh. Powdered Rhalesia seeds. How do I make them powdered? Pulp mill. Sure thing. Oh, 15 of them becomes 1. Damn, that's why I need so many. Okay, and the fiberboard. That becomes starch. I think if I remember correctly that maybe I need like 4 starch or something for this other recipe over here. So how this will work eventually. Oh boy, I don't have any copper ore. Okay, sure, let's go get some copper ore quickly. I'm mainly looking forward to my first drilling fluid here. It would just feel like a bit of sense of accomplishment. Otherwise we would be spending one episode and not really getting any progress. Besides the things we have researched, of course. Which wouldn't be so great. And now, where is our copper ore? Here we are. Oh, we are running low on copper ore as well. Probably because we are not having too much tar. Oh, there are good times to press Shift C and there are very bad times to press it. Because I just deposited all the copper ore I had. I was mainly aiming at cleaning out the rest of my inventory. Okay, thank you, copper ore. Going down again. It's amazing how easy it is to just rotate a locomotive that is on the track. Okay. Right. Copper ore. Goes here. And out comes drilling fluid. And this drilling fluid is very much our main goal here. One of our main goals at least. Which is why I'm storing this in a tank. And then we need to get the borax out of this. But yeah, our main problem at the moment seems to be the steam. I need to figure out how to get a good, stable steam source going. And once that is done, it's not impossible that we might want to just find a way to export some stuff from here to our logistics train network. Which is why I'm going to add a tag for that. Export fiberboard and things to LTN. Because that, if we start exporting things from here, then we could also start exporting some copper ore and some other stuff, which would allow us to automate this fully and to start actually using our drilling fluid and modularizing our entire setup. We are working on that a fair bit, but honestly we still have a pretty long way to go. And now that the robots have produced a bit more of the rails here, I'm just going to park my train over here where it's not in the way. Hopefully not, at least. So I guess that's it for this episode. We've come a bit on the way to produce this drilling fluid and the borax, but we still have a long way to go. So thanks for watching and see you next time.